North Platte, Nebraska had an historic winter storm on March 7, 2024. We set a new daily snowfall record of 15.3 inches, beating the previous record of 13.9 inches set on January 18, 2023. Total snowfall was 17.4 inches. However, some areas did receive up to 20 inches of snow. Storm Chaser Tyler Kurtz here in the Walmart parking lot here in North Platte. We are getting absolutely dumped on with snow. We easily got snowfall rates of 2 inches plus per hour. Just measured 3 inches at my house a couple minutes ago, and now we're easily at 5 inches here in the Walmart parking lot that I just measured a second ago. You can see deep drifts. This snow is really coming down. See it hitting the camera, but we're under some very intense snow right now. We're expected to get upwards to 9 inches. Could even be possibly higher at this time, but we are getting dumped on here in North Platte. Roads are horrendous. Haven't seen a single plow out. They definitely need to have some out, but their work would just be cut off by these 2 inches per hour snowfall rates. Very dangerous out here. We're getting into very whiteout conditions as well, with this snow and winds picking up.
Dispatch a tow truck. You can only for a Toyota. Tires are up. As far as I can tell, we do have the keys, and there's also 2 other pickups out here that can be used towed out.
Currently on Interstate 80, exit 179 for North Platte. Highway is getting backed up. I believe the exit is closed. I know coming eastbound at exit 179, there was a bunch of semis filling up the exit ramp. I assume the same situation probably applies here. Kind of surprised the interstate is not closed yet, but this winter storm is packing a punch and it is causing major traffic delays. Chaser Tyler Kurtz here. I'm currently stuck on exit 179, headed westbound here in North Platte. As you can see behind me, there's a vehicle stuck, semi stuck up there. Looks like a couple semis maybe that are blocking this exit ramp. And then behind me, there's also a big line of semis that extends out to I-80 here at exit 179 in North Platte. Multiple exits in North Platte are like this, if not all of them, as vehicles, especially semis, are having a hard time getting up these up ramps with probably upwards of 10 inches now. I know my fiance at our house measured a little bit of 10 inches a little bit ago. So I might be stuck on this exit ramp for a while, as I cannot go anywhere. Stay safe and don't travel in this if you don't have to. All right, this semi was stuck. They're putting snow chains on it right now. There's another semi that was stuck over this way, but I'm able to finally get off this exit ramp. Yeah, this is a mess. Reported there's a semi-truck partially blocking I-80 eastbound. They're trying to get a trooper turned around the hill. Side roads are absolutely horrendous. The snowpack goes up to the hood of my car basically in some spots. Very, very deep snowpack. Cannot hardly maneuver around on side streets at all because this snow is just so deep. Bud's jumping over there like a bunny.
Head west on West 12th Street, I-80 alternate toward North Vine Street, then turn left onto North Vine Street. Head west on West 12th Street, I-80 alternate.
stays next to the drift. I'm like, oh, we jumped in it. Go. Come on. Uh-oh. Are you stuck? Come on. Come on.
We're done.